Alright, today we're going to be doing something that we should have done earlier, but I did not go back and check all my colonies like I should have, and this one did not get a sugar shim. I've got a frame of honey that I pulled out of another hive that I had to downgrade from 12 to 6 just a little bit ago. And I've peeked in this one and they're all up here in the top, so I'm going to swap out this far frame for a frame of honey. But the point is, number one, it's 43 degrees, I think it is. Bees are flying. They're going to teach you that you don't open your colonies unless it's 55 degrees or higher. True and false. True is it's going to be a lot easier for you and the bees. It's going to be colder, the heat's going to get out, so you got to get in and out as fast as possible. That's why you have everything ready. Got my wax paper, got my sugar already made up. All I'm going to do is take the lid off, pull the reflectix off. The insulation is actually in the lid, so I don't have to worry about it. Put the sugar down, put the wax paper down, the sugar down, put the shim on it, close it up, we're done. In and out in less than a minute. Alright, like I said, have everything ready before you even think about opening the hive to the outside air. Alright, ladies. No smell of alarm pheromone yet. They are coming out a little bit. That one has got quite a bit of honey in it. Easy. Okay. Get out of my... Don't you dare sting me. Get out of there. I didn't tell you to get up under my sleeve. Normally I don't wear any protection, but seeing that we are dealing with bees that are not happy, get out from under my dang before you sting me. Get out of there. Well, move that one over and put this one with all the honey right next to them. This one had a bunch of honey in it, so we're going to put that one back. Hopefully we're going to get in and out in less than a minute. Probably not, because I took the time to do that. Some people worry about the wax paper wicking in moisture. I don't. Don't know how close to a minute, but that's the best we can do since we had to do a little bit of work. Then, since I was in them and broke their seal, I'm going to put something heavy on it, push the propolis hopefully back down, and that's it. Thanks for watching Woolly Bees, another one of those things that they tell you you can't do.